Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Gather ingredients and set your workspace before you begin baking. Use 2 cups almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon fine salt. Mash 3 ripe bananas until you have about 1 1/2 cups of mashed banana. Measure 1/4 cup maple syrup and 2 tablespoons melted butter or coconut oil. Crack 3 large eggs into a bowl and whisk them until combined and slightly frothy. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9 by 5-inch loaf pan thoroughly. Start by whisking 3 large eggs and 1/4 cup maple syrup together until slightly frothy. Add the mashed banana and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract into the egg mixture and stir until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine 2 cups almond flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon fine salt. Pour wet ingredients into dry ingredients and fold gently until a thick but pourable batter forms. If using, stir in 1/2 cup chopped nuts or dark chocolate chips now. Do not overmix. Transfer the batter into the prepared 9 by 5-inch loaf pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Place the pan on the center, rack and bake at 350 degrees F for 40 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Remove the loaf from the oven and let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes to set. Carefully transfer the bread to a wire rack and cool another 20 to 30 minutes before slicing. Store leftover slices, refrigerated for up to 5 days, in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.